Welcome back, friends. Today we will see a program in Excel whereby we can, through the user forms, we can collect data of RoC forms filed. Later on they are approved and later on they are paid. You can keep the complete record of the forms filed, approved and paid. Let's see how it is done. I have taken a database, something like this, with the SRN number, date, company, which form file, what is the RoC fee, what was the additional fee, what is the total fee, the fee is paid by the company or paid by the PCS, or it was pay later was they chosen. Then it was certified by whom, what were the certification charges, whether the charges, PCS charges were paid or not, whether the form was approved or not, if approved, on what date it was approved, what was the total amount paid to PCS, was it paid online or through check, what was the date of payment to PCS. All this data is collected through user forms. For this purpose, I have taken 4 sheets. Second sheet is list of companies. See, list of companies. I have taken 100 companies. I have provided for 100 companies. You can add your own companies. They will be reflected in the first page, user forms. Then forms. How many forms I have provided for? 100 forms, which is enough. Then I have provided for this is the where you can note down the names of the PCS and PCA who certify your forms. See, I have taken 19. You can increase it. How do you increase this? Formulas, name manager, PCS, edit, make it 50. Okay. Now go and see. See, we have 50. In that case, when you take 50, you have to copy this line and bring it below 51. Okay. Okay. Now, let's come to this page. Whatever names of the companies, names of the firms, names of the PCS, PCA, which we have given, they get reflected here in these forms. The moment I click on show form, it shows a first user form. In this RoC form file. So I can just escape this. When I escape, press escape, I'll go back to this form. The form approved, escape, PCS paid, escape, edit, escape, delete, escape, cancel. Okay. Now, see, all the companies which we had given there, they appear here. All the forms which we have given there, they appear here. And the PCA, PCS names, they appear here. Supposing I choose this one. Form file is DIR12. Let's suppose. We have filed it, and now the for simplicity, I have taken this number. Let's suppose 600. Enter 0. Then it is, let's suppose it is paid by PCS. See how it is. His due amount is calculated when it is paid by PCS. So, XX and associates, they have charged 2000. Enter, enter. See, this record has come here. It says T so and so number, today's date, company name, form name, how much paid as RoC fees, additional fees was 0, total fees was 600, paid by, this amount is paid by PCS, it is certified by so and so, certificate charges are 2000, it says payable because it's not yet paid, and it says it is unapproved. So far it is not approved by RoC. So escape, we come to this. Let's suppose within half an hour you get the message of approval from MCA. So the moment it is approved, you say, you give this number and click on this and submit, it gets approved. See, I'll say 45, 45, 45, 45. Instead of writing, I have kept this to make it easy. Now, so far this is unapproved. The moment I click on submit, this gets, the moment we get a message email that it is approved, taken on record, see, approved. On which date it was it approved? On this date. Okay, then escape. Now, let's go and see if there are any payables, outstanding amounts payable to PCS, PCA. See, this 2,600 is amount outstanding. Let's see how it is 2,600. 600 RoC fee 600 is paid by PCS only. That's why this 600 is added to his certificate charges of 2,000, and we arrived at 2,600. Now, so amount payable to ZZ and Associates is 2,600. Let's go and pay this amount. The moment you pay this amount, how do you? PCS, PCA paid. So just say click on paid. If you are paid by check, nobody nowadays pay by check. People transfer it by online. So when you transfer it online, when it is paid, just say submit, and this red color will go. See, when it is, as long as it is unapproved and as long as it is unpaid, the red color appears. The moment it is paid, the red color goes. The moment it is approved, the red color goes. Now go and see. Earlier there was pending amount against this name. Now nothing pending. We had paid everything. If it is pending, it will show red color in this page. This is how. We'll take another example. So 0, it is paid by the company itself this time. We have so and so, it was certified by so and so. Add records. Now see, 600 is paid means here paid by the company. If it is paid by PCS, we write paid by PCS, paid by the company. So what are the certification charges? 2,500. What is the total amount due now to the PCS? It is 2,500 only. Here we added this amount and this amount because of this value. Here we have not added this 600 to 2,500. It is only 2,500 because of this value, because it is paid by the company itself. Now, as long as it is unpayable, as long as it is payable, it shows red. As long as it is unapproved, it shows the red color. Let's go see. This time, this person, the amount outstanding is against this person. Now let's go and make payment. Let's suppose approved. Say approved. Escape, make payment. So SRN is the key here. Okay. So go to this place. Sorry, go to this place now. Nothing is outstanding. Everything is paid. Approved, all transactions approved, all transactions paid. Nothing is payable now. So this is how it works. You can click on this, it gets saved. So for such programs, you can visit my website. You have many more such interesting programs for which you should visit my website. You can edit the records as well as delete the records. Let's see how you edit a particular record. I'll say the top one, T, how many zeros? 43 followed by 5 zeros. Enter, enter. See, this record is fetched. So in this record, I want to change the name of the person who has certified it. This one. Okay, let's suppose we made a mistake earlier. Now we are rectifying it. Okay, edit. Just see here, this gets replaced by double Y. See, it is replaced by double Y. This way. Suppose you want to delete a record. I want to delete the second record. T 65654555. Enter, enter. See, the whole record is fetched. Now, just the cursor is on this command button now, delete record. Just click on this and this second record 6565 will go. See, it has gone. 6565 is gone. So, this is how you can file a form, approve it, pay the PCS, PCA, edit the records, and delete the unwanted records. So, but you cannot delete a record from the worksheet like this. I'm hitting the delete button here. No, you can't delete from here directly. If you want to delete it through this user form. I want to delete the last record. T 45, 45, 45, 45. Enter, enter, enter. Gone. So this is how it is useful. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, share, and like my video. Thank you.